picnic in polar vortex. Huh, huh. क्या? नहीं, I'm in the middle of something better. Hello guys, today we are here for doing picnic in polar vortex. Well, don't you do anything better. हटो तुम, दूर हटो.
Daddy, if we even sit on it, it will go down.
I know. That is what we have to tell in the last Akmal. Okay, so this is the bed sheet. Akmal, please हट. Akmal, please, for Allah के वास्ते हटो. This is our picnic basket. Here comes the duster. Plate. Bottle of water. When I put the water, it's gone inside. This is the roti. Here is the salan. We have a nice katori to eat. And something to put from the top. A glass to drink. All right, so let's eat. So there is one practical problem. The problem is when I sit, it will go down. So let's see. Better. Okay. So now the problem is I have to remove the stuff. All right. Not too bad. Let's start. Start removing the gloves, glasses. It's cold. Oh, ho, ho, ho. So, you see, the plate is all watery and it's cold now. So, let's start with the katori. We will put some dal in it. Nice and garam garam. Can you see the? Bismillah. Okay. It's cold, freezing cold. And this is the glass. if it stay. Let's put some water in it. Bismillah. All right. And you see how much deep is the snow? The bottle will go down, 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 down. It's gone all down. All right. So this is a piyaz. Put it over here. Chop. This is the roti. Bismillah. Ah. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Bismillah. Nice. So what is the craziest thing you do if you have a weather like this, or in this weather? It's cold. Imagine if I did not play the video. Hands are cold. Nice and garam garam. That's the maximum I can hold without gloves. Let's drink some water. It's cold, nice and cold. وَسَقَاهُمْ رَبُّهُمْ شَرَابًا طَهُورًا. Okay, that's done. Now there is something here. Guess what it is? It is a skipping rope. When you eat, you have to burn. For burning, you have to do exercise. Skipping is one of the best way. So comment down below what is your favorite activity in snow. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Snow all around. Picnic in polar vortex.